I'm going to demonstrate the VMware Cloud on AWS. VMware Cloud on AWS is a hybrid cloud service developed jointly by VMware and Amazon. So let's start with creating a VPC. Give the name of the VPC. Select the CIDR block. And create. Now create 3 subnets in different availability zones. Create the subnet. Give the name of the subnet. Select the VPC we have created. And select availability zone. Give the CIDR block. Now create the second subnet. Select the VPC. Select the availability zone and CIDR block. Create. Creating the third subnet. Give the name of subnet. Select the VPC and again availability zone. And create. Now we're creating the internet gateway. Internet gateway is a logical connection between Amazon VPC and the internet. So let's create the name. Create. Now attach this internet gateway to VPC. Select the VPC and attach it. Now we have to create the endpoints. VPC endpoint enables us to privately and securely connect to the VPC to AWS services without going over the internet. So create endpoint. Scroll down and select the service name. Here it is. Select the VPC. And select the root table. Now create endpoint. Now we have to associate subnets to root table. Select the root table. Click on associate subnet. Edit subnet associate. Select all these 3 and save. Now edit roots. Add root. Select CIDR and VPC. So internet gateway. Save roots. Now we are finished with required components. Thank you.